Oh, he was fucking slow down, wasn't he? All they do is pick it up, man. Pick the pace up.
Did you get any good footage?
I just got the end of it there. Hopefully he'll start it again. I'm nice and concealed behind the weights, aren't I?
It's nice. Didn't look like a fucking band up over it.
How are mate? Getting in the way of fame, yeah. Oh, he's looking at Steve, he's doing a Stevie Wonder there, wasn't he? He was doing that. And we're off. And here we go.
Strider.
Mr. Strider. Any relation to Tinchy?
Grandad Strider.
I wish I could zoom in. I wish I could zoom in, honestly.
But you're not seeing it, aren't they?
It's just not working for some reason. Oh. I keep expecting him to go, meet me. Roadrunner. Look at this box.
What's going on, lads?
I can't even look. I can't even watch it, man. Oh, God. I'm on credits. The bloke the end of the sticking his one. This is the I'm just thinking you're sick.
What is striking now? What is striking?
I've never seen anybody doing triple steps like that.
This is good. You've got a good angle, like, with the legs straight and the ability thing.
Okay, now.
Good long footage of him as well. He's kicked in at the right time now, hasn't he?
He's got to do it. He's got to do that shit again, like. He's got to do it. Honestly, after he's shaking his fucking hand, just for staying on the thing, you know what I mean? I would have been off, like. Oh,
he's going for an incline. Oh no. Lowering the turret. Ah, that's it. Stop it.